In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the new Expensify app with ease, helping you streamline your expense reporting process. With the right steps, managing your finances can be a breeze. Let's dive in and walk through the process together, step by step. To begin, open the Expensify app, and from the Workspace menu, you'll notice a clean interface designed to help you manage your finances efficiently. Head towards the lower left corner of your screen and locate the green plus icon. This icon is your gateway to initiating new actions, specifically creating expenses. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've done that, you'll see an option called Create Expense. Click on it, as this is the starting point for inputting your financial details. The next step is to enter the amount of the expense you're recording. Be accurate and make sure to double-check the figures to avoid any discrepancies later on. After entering the amount, click on the Next button to proceed. With the amount now set, it's time to add a description by clicking on the description field. Here, you'll provide some context and detail about what the expense is for. This step is crucial as it helps you remember the purpose of each transaction and can be particularly beneficial if you're managing multiple expenses. Next, click on Save to ensure the details you've just added are stored securely. Following this, you will move on to entering merchant details. Click on Merchant and input specific information about where the expense occurred. This could be the name of the store or the service provider. When you're done, hit Save once again. Now categorize your expense by clicking on the Category section. Choose the category that best describes the nature of the expense. This will help you organize your reports effectively and allow for a smoother financial overview later on. After selecting the category, remember to save your choice. With these steps complete, it's time to finalize the creation of your expense. Head towards the Create Expense button and click it. This action is a confirmation of all the details you've entered, and it makes the expense officially part of your records. To review what you've just completed, navigate to the Reports section of the app. This will provide you with an overview of recently added expenses and help ensure all the information is displayed correctly. Finally, click on Expenses. Here, you should be able to see the expense you've just inputted, sitting alongside any others you've managed. This view serves as a confirmation of a job well done and confirms that your expense has been logged successfully. By following these steps carefully, managing your expenses in Expensify becomes a straightforward task, helping you keep an accurate record of your financial outlay. Remember, keeping organized records not only simplifies your processes, but also ensures accuracy when it comes time to report or review your expenses. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.